Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to easily create this cool effect in After Effects. Let's get started. By the way, if you want these exact shakes, just a reminder that AM Film Shake preset pack is linked in the description. It's the easiest way to make your edits look expensive with a quick drag and drop. First we need to isolate the car from the background. To do this, I'll be using the Object Matte tool. If you're using an older version of After Effects, you can use the Roto Brush tool instead. With the Object Matte tool, we can select the object with just one click. If you haven't updated After Effects yet, now is a great time to do it, as the latest updates include some really helpful features. I'll adjust the selection slightly since it missed the mirror. Once everything looks good, hit the freeze button and wait for the process to finish. When it's done, close the rotoscoping window and duplicate the layer. Select the bottom layer and delete the effect from it to make the background visible again. Now duplicate the top layer one more time. Select the middle layer and apply the pixel melt effect. This is a paid plugin, so if you don't have it, you can use Glitchify instead, which works similarly. Glitchify is also a paid plugin, but if you don't have either one, just DM me the word plugins on Instagram. In the pixel melt settings, change the direction to up. Set the pixel melt intensity to 0% and click the stopwatch icon to add a keyframe at the start of the layer. Now scroll to the end of the layer and change the intensity back to 100%. You can also increase or decrease the melt steps to get the look you want. Once that's set, go back to the beginning of the timeline and select the top layer. Press P on your keyboard to reveal the position property, and click the stopwatch to add your first position keyframe. Next scroll to the end of the layer and adjust the Y position value until the car lifts up. Make sure the car's position aligns perfectly with the pixel melt effect. Once you're finished, play it back to check your results. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.